To Robin's house. Today I'm working on showing you the various cards that you can get in the Operation Smile card kit. And so there are 6 cards in various colors, and they all use the same. Okay, so we use the beautiful butterflies die cuts, which are all of these, and we use the big body. I guess this is the big body and the big wings to create this. And I also use this really cool thing. It's called Greetings for All Mix and Match Ephemera Pack. And so in each of your packs of cards, you will get one of these pages of just a ton of really cute messages. And one of them is in black and white. So some lucky ladies will receive one in black and white. And how cool would that be? But this is just a great mix and match of messages that are already like pre-stamped for you and ready to throw on a card that doesn't have a message. And it's super fun. So your pack, the pack of ephemera, comes with 2 each of 3 different designs. And you get 1 pack in your kit so that you can mix and match those beautiful little butterflies. So thank you. You get this kit for $10, and the whole $10 is a donation to Operation Smile. Now, if you are a little more adventurous and want your cards to be stamped instead of using those ephemera messages, there is a stamp set called Spring Corners that has all of these words that are intended to go in a corner. So how cute is it that we have these corners here all ready to go to put those messages in? So this, if you choose to do this way, the kit is still $10. You will still get a sheet of the ephemera packs, but when you purchase the spring corners, I will donate $5 to Operation Smile because you bought the stamp set. So uh, I hope you will support Operation Smile in any one of those ways. But these cards are super cute, and I hope you like them. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.